Hello, and welcome to the CA Technologies How-To video series. In this video, we'll show you what's new in this release of CA Arcserve D2D. Launch the application as usual. The first thing you'll notice is we've made some changes to the home page. It still shows all the status summaries, plus a few new things, like the updates and last file copy summaries. More on these features when we cover the changes in the Settings dialog. Click Settings. Notice the new row of tabs across the top of the dialog. Let's start with the Backup Settings tab, which is the default view. There are 4 screens on this tab that control all of the same functions in the last version of the application, even though the names are different. We've added a few new fields on the Protection Settings screen so you can enable encryption to protect sensitive data or adjust throttle settings to optimize performance and reduce CPU or network utilization. Click the Schedule screen. This screen remains the same. Click the Advanced screen. Now you can enable Exchange Granular Restores, a new feature that lets you recover Exchange server objects down to the mailbox, folder, or even individual message level. Click PrePost Backup Settings. This screen is where you specify the commands to run before or after backups, just as in prior versions. Click the File Copy Settings tab. The settings on these screens let you copy critical data files to a secondary location, including a cloud destination, so you can recover information even if your primary storage site fails. File copy settings can be used as an archive solution that safely deletes source files after they've been copied. Here's an example. Suppose you must keep certain files to comply with regulations, or to keep multiple versions. You can use the file copy settings to set up a retention schedule. File copy settings are based on block-level imaging, which means only data that changed is copied. You save money on storage space and retain data versions over longer periods of time. For more information on file copies, view the video called How to Perform a File Copy Job. Click the Copy Recovery Points tab. The Enable Copy Recovery Points option lets you set an export schedule so you can recover a file, a folder, or a whole machine if the primary backup destination fails. Specify how many backups to perform before export, set a destination, which can be any network or local disk, and include encryption if you'd like. Exported recovery points can be used for BMR, file or folder recovery, application level recovery, Exchange granular mailbox recovery, or as virtual hard disk files that can be started on a VM. For more information on this feature, view the Copy Recovery Points and Restore Recovery Points videos. Click the Preferences tab. Here, you can enable the news, social network, and tray options displayed by the application. Click Email Alerts to set up system notifications, such as when any key performance indicator thresholds are reached. Click the Updates screen to set up a schedule that automatically or manually checks for the latest software updates, bug fixes, or security enhancements, and installs them so that you always have the most current software available. That's it for the Settings dialog. Close this and click Restore. We've added some new restore methods like Browse File Copies, Recover VM, and Restore Exchange Mail. Use the Browse File Copies method to restore source files you copy to a local, remote, or cloud destination. Use the Recover VM method to recover a virtual machine. And use the Restore Exchange Mails method to locate individual mailboxes, folders, or messages to restore. CA Arcserve D2D is now integrated with Windows Explorer, so you can restore a file, folder, or Exchange Mail object by dragging and dropping or copying and pasting. Navigate to your backup destination and right-click. Click Change to Arcserve D2D view from the menu. Select a recovery point and locate the object to restore. Copy and paste the object or drag and drop it to a restore destination. That's it. For more information using these new features, visit the website where you can obtain the latest documentation or view the remaining videos in the series. Thanks for watching.